So this is a 1978 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am in the blue. Not too bad. The T-top. Let's hurry up and open it. Doesn't seem like this one had any tape. So it comes with these outer support stands. However, so this one was a recently bought one. However, I didn't buy it. It was my dad who bought it, and I think he spent around 30 bucks for it. Not too bad for the price. Again, it is a little more than I usually spend. Well, a little more than I spent on other ones. But this one does come with a little more support, so when you're stacking the boxes they don't crumble on themselves. So let's hurry up and take these off. Okay, now with it removed, that took a lot of effort. This is the car outside of the, well, by itself and no backdrop. That is it by itself. Now let's remove the plastic strips. Alright, now with the plastic strips removed, let's get rid of the tape, which is somewhat hard to see, but they usually go on the trunk and the hood. Now with the tape removed, we can see the hood. I mean, it's a detailed engine bay, although I would kind of hope for some colors in there so we could easily tell what is what, but I do like that a whole lot. Pretty nice. And then the interior, a nice classic dash, steering wheel, and seats, even with the back. Now for the trunk. But when I was taking off the stickers on the trunk, I did leave a little tape residue on accident. I'll try to get that clean up after, but just something. The Trans Am on the back, and a fairly decent sized trunk that actually goes pretty deep in there. So if you want to hide stuff or put stuff in there, you can. So a question you might be asking is, can you remove the top? And I don't think so. To me, it kind of looks molded together. The windshield, the top, and the back looks molded together. But when I open the door, it does look like it's separated a little. Probably hard to tell on camera. But I personally don't want to break my glass in trying to find it. So if you get one of your own, you could try it. But I'm not going to do it here, because this is my only 118 Trans Am. So let's take it off the stand. So that is with the stand removed, and chrome exhausts, a blue engine, and again, when you turn the wheels, it turns the steering wheel, and vice versa, Although with the larger steering wheel, you are able to move it a lot more, which is nice. So some detail on the bottom, the blue engine, the chrome exhaust, the name, the scale, And now let's put it on the turntable. So that is a 1978 Firebird Trans Am in the blue. Not much about it at all. It's a pretty simple car, a nice color, although the classic black and gold is timeless. It has beautiful detail in the interior, the dash, the steering wheel, the bottom, even the taillights. I love the taillights. Let's get a closer look on those. It looks amazing, pretty nice. My favorite part about the car. And the engine and everything, it's a pretty simple basic car for the money. And again, for even 30 bucks, 35 bucks, not bad of a price for what you get. So now let's just open up the doors. So that is with all the doors open, the engine bay, the interior. The interior looks pretty nice, pretty simple. Like the dash is a sticker, but it still looks pretty nice. The chairs, the steering wheel, the dash, if you look everywhere else but the sticker, the chrome shifter, the trunk is very spacious, so you could put stuff in there if you'd like. The engine bay is incredibly detailed, although I would like a little bit of color in it, but if you want to personalize yours, you could probably do it yourself. Like, the engine bay is incredibly detailed. So honestly, if you really wanted to, you could take this apart. You could use the screws on the bottom to separate the body and the chassis and everything, and paint the engine bay yourself, and it's probably going to look good because, again, the engine bay is incredibly detailed, but it does lack a little color. You can't have everything, but it is still nice. But that is about it for this one. So thanks for watching.